Hi, your iManage Cloud Services team here. It's almost time for your Q4 2024 Cloud Service Update for iManage Work at iManage.work. This update introduces new features and enhancements to iManage Work Web and iManage Control Center. Enhanced properties and filter panels. The Properties panel and the Filter panel have both been completely redesigned to enhance functionality and performance. Interactions now require fewer clicks, and several new features have been added. The key enhancements to the Properties panel include accessibility. Keyboard navigation and screen reader are now fully supported. Security tab. Security has been moved to its own tab in the right-hand side panel and can now be accessed by selecting Default Security or by selecting the Security tab itself. Show More, Show Less link. This option is removed to ensure that all the available properties are always displayed. Responsive design. Properties are automatically adjusted based on the size of the screen for an optimized viewing experience. Updated styling. Editable fields are highlighted and an edit icon appears on focus or hover. Text fields. Selecting outside a text field or using the Tab key now saves the changes. The Escape key reverts the changes. Date fields. You can now enter a date in addition to selecting a date from the calendar picker. The key enhancements to the Filter panel include enhanced accessibility with keyboard navigation and screen reader supported fully. Radio buttons and checkboxes are added to clearly indicate the selection type, multi versus single select, supported in each filter category. File type filters now support multiple selection. Dates can now be entered in date filters, in addition to selecting from the calendar picker. Dynamic filtering ensures that when you select some filters, most other filters get adjusted based on your selections. Numbers to indicate the applied filters in each category. New Security panel. Introducing a dedicated Security panel, which allows you to perform all security-related actions quickly for documents, emails, matters, tabs, and folders. The Security panel is located next to the Properties panel by default, but its position on the Details tab can be configured by administrators in iManage Control Center. The Security panel can also be launched by selecting the default Security from the Properties panel or Security from the right-click Context menu, Kebab menu. Remove legacy dialogues. Users can no longer toggle between the old and new interfaces for the new workspace, new folder, and trash dialogues. The new interfaces are now the default and sole option. For administrators, iManage Control Center now features the Forms page, replacing the legacy dialogue editor tool. This allows admins to manage forms directly in Control Center, offering a more streamlined and cohesive experience. Check the iManage Help Center for more information on availability of this update and detail on other features included. Cloud customers should follow recent and upcoming cloud service updates and can refer to their Trust Center for details on when iManage Work Service Update will be applied to their production account. On-premise customers follow upcoming releases. Both of these locations cover these new features and enhancements in depth. The best way to master new iManage features are our quick and easy courses that walk you through each. Our platform, Use iManage, provides you with on-demand learning, quick reference cards, and certification options on iManage solutions. Learn more by scanning the QR code or visiting registration.imanage.com.